After the priest blesses the oblata at the Veni Sanctificator, he goes to the epistle corner for the lavabo. He recites the lavabo psalm as the server pours water over the thumb and forefinger of both hands. The priest dries his hands on the lavabo towel, after which he may bow to the server who departs. He then finishes the psalm facing the altar card with hands joined. At the Gloria Patri, he makes a low head bow. He returns to the center as he says the Sicut erat in principio. At the center, he immediately raises his eyes up to the cross and then makes a medium bow of the body with hands joined, resting on the altar. In this position, he says the prayer Suscipe Sancta Trinitas. Although the holy name and the name of Mary and the several saints occur in this prayer, he does not make any head bows since he is already bowed down in a position of reverence. When he finishes the prayer, he immediately separates his hands, placing them flat on the altar, kisses the altar, and then turns around to face the people. He separates and rejoins his hands, as he says in the loud voice. The rest of the prayer is said in the quiet voice as he continues the turn, making a full circle back to face the altar. Note that the Orate Fratres prayer is not on the altar card and must be memorized. Also note that the first two words of this prayer, Orate Fratres, are the only two words of the offertory prayers which are said in the loud voice. The server responds with the Suscipiat.
Suscipiat Dominus sacrificium de manibus tuis ad laudem gloriam nomini sui ad utilitatem quoque nostram.
The priest answers Amen in the quiet voice. He then extends his hands and reads the secret prayer from the Missal. At the conclusion, he joins his hands, and, if the holy name is mentioned, he bows his head to the cross. Whichever conclusion is used, the priest will always stop at the word Deus, and then turn the page to the preface before saying the Per omnia saecula saeculorum. He lays his right hand on the altar, turns the page with the left hand to the preface, and then places both hands flat on the altar.
Per omnia saecula saeculorum.
Amen.
Dominus
He now begins the preface dialogue in the loud voice.
Gratias segamus Domino Deo.